second Sunday, getting ready to roll out. We got a big, huge course that's not that huge through all of the flat rock. Once again, as we all get together for some major fun nerdery with our toy trucks. I got new bodies. Check this thing out. It was a leftover. It's all shiny and new. Our start of the year with a new body on a 2-year-old truck. That's a 2700 kVs, buddy. Oh, it's not in the shot here. Real friends let you touch their beards. Don't get excited. It's gonna need a little zest. No, oh, is it gonna need a little zest? No, it does not. Dude, my truck's all muddy. Look how cool that looks. Are you getting that? Camera, are you getting that? That looks so cool. Oh, that's a serious drop down. Man, who made this terrible course? It was me. I feel like I gotta get over a little closer. RC parkour. Did you see that? Break in your body. Oh, break your axle. Bumper. Got it. Got pepper? Got it. All the pepper. Man, so much fun. Johnny C, we gotta get you one of these systems, buddy. They're great. I need to go axe. You get to chop down the trail with your axe. Whoa, careful, slick rocks. Oh, I love the underhang. That's sick. I think I made it through here with the Jeep body even. It's a little bigger than this body. This body made it easy. Oh!
check. There's a magnetic field for you.
Underhang. Is there a water line? Do the water line. Yeah, there's like a half submarine line right along the edge right there. I'm going for it. Get out of the way, Ristar. I can't. You're blocking my trail. I'm going water line. Oh, maybe not. Can't even get there. Suck. Oh, the antenna's underwater. The antenna's underwater. That was the wrong way. I think that's it. There's like, it's so slippery from all the moss or the water. The roots. These roots are classic. Oh, I got it. I never get through the roots in one shot. I'll tell you what, I feel like this body change and these bumpers have really made this rig a bit more capable of doing nonsense. That was awesome. Yeah.
Oh, you missed the shot.
Yeah. I already got you struggling.
I love second gear.
Oops, sorry.
That was lame. That's great. Rock. He almost sumoed me. All right, I better go wash this thing.